Don't know. We reach late, so we have to set up tent in the night. But I don't know, nothing can stop we. Yeah. Everybody over there say can't see it now still.
No. Put on one for the pine skin or one for short pine.
Alright. Hunger wax Abby.
Naturally.
So she peel a fruit yeah. What's the man Abby you not play with it man. You ain't tattoo all this?
Oh God no.
Let me take one there.
Get one pine?
My pine drop on the ground a while ago so now I go to waste. I wash it off and eat it. Same way so. Where you say I go?
I don't like fruit. I don't eat fruit.
Just say head big.
No. I'll eat grape, orange, and pine. Seen that one? I've never seen
that one. The original one and them are invasive. These are the Australian.
Oh, look,
red
it's
claw.
two original.
Australian red claw.
But they make a big man, big. That's a look one, man. That's not there.
That's a big ass prawn.
Watch out. Look how the claw there, long.
Where the original one them though? Them go big.
Yeah.
Them go big and them more soft.
The big ass prawn.
Nice. Yeah, native one.
At first I see that though.
Yeah, man. We get some lovely one tonight, guys. So we set out some traps, so I'm on in and out to see what I want. Yeah, man.
They're quite pretty.
I'm cleaning up and cooking in the night.
But I'm gonna beat.
Water.
Come here, that's a juice you want to drink.
Until that uptown girl man, but
Oh yeah, put just pour the water on yourself.
Oh, we supply them.
mad. And then pinch out.
One of them bite me.
And pinch out man. And then one. No wash off, you wash off. After wash off, you mad? The secret sauce here, just go in. When you can't know what in there. When you can't see it when it's cut off, you just have to see it when it's finished. Alright, so now everything in a one. Look at that. Lovely looking, lovely looking, lovely. I don't want to tell you.
Who want the pot?
I just call the pot.
I just have to get the pot now. Remember that.
No.
You don't want the copyright music.
Why you want to eat the food?
Oh, why?
But they're afraid. I like it. Morning. Oh. Oi.
Catch up before we have a catch it up.
Yes, sir. The first camping I do and sleep. And sleep good. Never perfect, but good. The last camping I do with me and Claude. I literally go sleep and wake up with a pain. Alright. It was good. I eat breakfast now. Morning, Abby.
Morning, baby. Slept well?
Yeah. So tell me now, how me wake up, I wake up, and then immediately after I wake up, I feel like more I use the bathroom. It come down for me one time, everything. Number one, number two, same time. So by the time I go number one and number two, same time, me come back at the tent and not see nobody. So then I said, whatever, they trip me. I must trip me. I'm still not see them down. I have an idea for them there still. Maybe I try to trip me. So now, I make a little walk. Got the next spot, which they should be. They should be there. I think we need to go for my goggles, you know. I turn back. Go for my goggles. Yeah. I think I go for the rest of the crayfish without me. But yeah, people, the sleep was amazing. So at first, camping, I'm gonna feel so bad. Usually I sleep at the gug me and Claude. Rockside. Yeah, man, it was good. It was definitely good. Yeah. I'll show you what it look like. It's our camping spot. You know?
Can I get you guys in my thumbnail, please? Can you tell them to thumbnail, please? I need a thumbnail. Yoshan?
No?
When the water's so blue, no one can go a little bit here. Oh my goodness.
Look how this water is clear. That's the water is crystal clear. Look at that. If I never for the reflection from the sky, you would have never know say a water you look on. That's for sure how it clear. Look there.